So let us start by writing it down. Operation and operator. So if you want to add, so the operation is addition, and the operator we would use is plus. And if you want to subtract, we would use minus sign. If you want to multiply, we would use asterisk. If you want to divide, you would use the forward slash. And if you want to raise a number to the power exponential, then you will use the caret symbol. If you want to concatenate, then you would use the ampersand. Now, if you want to compare or check for equal to, you would use the equal to sign. And again, this is also a relational operator. The greater than, it again comes in comparison. And then you got lesser than, and then you got greater than or equal to, and that we write it like this: greater than or equal to. So since the columns are overlapping, I'm just spreading it out further. And then you got lesser than, less than or equal to. Autocomplete is there, you can use them. And then you got not equal to. That symbol is placed like this. So we got the list of operators that we can utilize in Excel. So I'm going to place borders, and we have this beautiful table. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to demonstrate these operations using this table that we have got. So we got a table that we have created.